Narrated by Ziyad bin Ilaqa. I heard Jarir bin Abdullah praising Allah on the day when Al-Mughira bin Shuba died. Jarir got up to the pulpit and thanked and praised Allah and said, "Be afraid of Allah alone, who has none along with him to be worshipped. You should be calm and quiet till the new chief comes to you, and he will come to you soon. Ask Allah's forgiveness for your late chief, because he himself loved to forgive others." Jarir added, "Amma ba'd, I went to the Prophet and said, I gave my pledge of allegiance to you for Islam. The Prophet ﷺ conditioned my pledge for me to be sincere and true to every Muslim. So I gave my pledge to him for this. By Lord of this mosque, I am sincere and true to you Muslims." Then Jarir asked for Allah's forgiveness and came down from the pulpit. Hadith number 58, Sahih Bukhari.